I'm Jason Buck. I work with RE/MAX Estate Properties here in Palos Verdes. Our real estate market is very hot. Homes are sometimes selling in less than a week. Now, you may not have all the time to get to all these homes, but I do. And I shoot a virtual tour to help you save time.
Hi, I'm Jason Buck. Welcome to the Palos Verdes Broker Open House Tour. This is a pretty interesting property. It's on Covecrest. So there's a flag lot, meaning we come down the street behind the main street. And you got this beautiful home here looking into the valley. Air conditioning, pretty nice spot. The garage is around the back, so you got this beautiful driveway here. Pretty special, Palos Verdes is amazing. We're right across from the art place. So step on in. Look at this 50s mid-century modern. Is a pretty radical look, but also real easy to fix and make your own, to update this into your own way. So the windows here, but they did do some work in the kitchen. Ooh, tongue and groove, maple line, cushion clothes. It's nice. Galley kitchen, laundry in the back. There's a bath too. Look at this waterfall as you get to the pool and a sitting area here. That's nice. There is a guest house off the garage. How big? Just one bed? So we got a little wet bar here. Nice. Beautiful view down the valley. It's gorgeous. City lights in the background. Entrance bath up here. Windows in, you can change a few things. You got a pretty nice newer home. We've done some good upgrades here. Just need a few more. Wow, this is pretty from here. This is master. There's a master bath. Wow, huge bath. This slate is gorgeous. Really nice. Good setup. At this price point, this is pretty nice. All right, next stop, this is Covecrest. Indian Valley and Firth Ridge are right over here, so you come up above Hawthorne. This will have a big view, 3-car garage. This is pretty nice, well fixed up property here. Wow, with a door. Impressive. So skim ceiling, recessed lighting, beautiful colors. It's all open. A beautiful door. It's nuts. So we come into the kitchen area. We got a big bar top. Wow, all the cabinetry are inset, so there's it's all flush. It's all tongue and groove. Cushion clothes. Beautiful stove, 6-burner. Microwave down there. Super nice kitchen. Big drawer. Very nice, and a view. It's amazing. Wow, beautiful dining setup here. This is really nice how open it is. So, and then here's your family room. And then Shazam, look at that, the doors go away. They're straight out to the outside. Beautiful shower. Look at that. This is tile, it looks like wood. And nice sink here. Really nice. You have direct access to your 3-car garage. A lot of stuff, but it is the way it is. It looks great. This is nuts out here. This is really nice. The pool. Wow, big view here. Wow, so you'll get sunsets all year long. Catalina's probably hiding right over there. Then you get it all out here. That's beautiful. Really nice. A lot of grass, a lot of yard. Beautiful home. Nice sitting area here. It's fantastic. Great spot. What a neat staircase. Wow, big wide plank oak, gorgeous. So this is a bedroom here, but it's the kids' playroom. So it could be a bedroom, fourth bedroom. Could be an office, I suppose. Wow. Nice bedroom here. Huge view. That's the best part. This would be the master, so double door entry. Hi, Steven. Wow, ton of light. You got a skylight, shower tub, ton of light, and a view from the tub. So that's amazing. Here's our walk-in. Nice, good-sized walk-in. Beautiful. Wow, look at the ceiling, the way they did this. It's pretty cool. Very nice. Very elegant.
It took him 2.5 years to handle this house.
It's really nice. So here's the bathroom that you would use for the access. This is limestone. This is nice. Good quality in here. You got tongue and groove, maybe cushion clothes in the bathroom. It's nice.
Right.
And then laundry. So you have 3 rooms up here that all use this bath. Oh yeah, here's the other bath. Thank you. Very, very, very nice. Thank you, Stephen. Beautiful. Next stop, we're on Madeline Cove. So we're below Hawthorne now, off, getting close to Abbottswood or Verde Ridge, and look at that view out there. Pretty amazing. So a bit of front yard here. Excuse me. So we step on in, we have a big living room up here in the front. Nice hardwood floors. There's a good view from here, ocean view. And step into the kitchen area, wow. Huge open area. So you kind of have your family room before the kitchen. Now we're in the kitchen. Maple lined. Nice how this all opens up like that. So you got a little side yard here. There's water in there, watch out. Here we are. Backyard. And some ocean view. Beautiful out here. So this is back to the front door. Here's a half bath. Oh, okay, this is neat. Here's our laundry. And it's nice how it's separated a little bit from the garage. So here's your garage. That works. So coming upstairs. Wow, you got 2 rooms here with the view. They did replace the windows. So you got this nice corner here, which is your big view. Master, so you got a big bath here, double sink, walk-in closet, shower, and a tub. Hall bath. This one has the tub. It's all tile lined. Granite. pink room. Oh, this one's got bunks. I like bunk beds. And another view from here. Not bad. Pretty good spot. All right, next stop, Abbottswood, 6862 Abbottswood. We're just a little further down the hill, so still big ocean views here. Nice property here, 2-story, 2-car garage. Come on in. Got a nice, there's a half bath there at the front. Oh, and we have a bedroom here.
Now I have no one. You had the listing or you had an open house.
Yeah, kitchen's been worked on. Nice. It's back here. Oh, direct access garage. And then a little extra room here. That's really nice. The laundry. Oh, Melly. Yeah, it's your backyard. Beautiful. Wow, big view too. Really nice. Big view here. Little barbecue, nice patio. Spot. Beautiful. Like the counters. Come into the dining area. Up top, you got a bath, full tub. This would be the master. We do have original windows. We got some cottage cheese, so could do some work. Next stop, Waupaca, and we're right across the street from the high school, Peninsula High. So great location here. Beautiful hardwood floors. We got a room right off the bat. Into our bath, 3/4. And we'll just keep our bedroom tour going. So the other side, somewhat original on the windows. These are fixed up here. Those are new. It's nice. Super clean, all skimmed. Floors are great. Look at this. Bath is super nice. Maple line cushion clothes, tub. Nice. There's some backyard. So the rooms aren't super big. It's like 10 feet, 12 feet by 10. Come into this area, it's all open. So, this is pretty. Nice fireplace and then a big piece of glass. Come into the kitchen area, beautiful countertops, love it. Nice stove. And so if you really wanted to, there's laundry in the back. You can kind of figure out how to open this up. Get rid of the soffit up here and put a beam and then open it up, take this stuff out. Maybe move the laundry, but put the fridge over here, and then you'd have a nice, it wouldn't be that hard to open this up. And then you'd have a big open area, and that would be super good. Really nice patio here. This is nice. Cute yard. That's great. Handle it. All right, next stop, we're on Mazur. What a gorgeous driveway and property here. We've got 2 bedroom, and then on in, it looks like there's 2-story in the back. So very nice. Ooh, floor's wet. Wow, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful living room here. And you got dining right off next to it. It goes into the kitchen. Look at the size of this lot. This is a gorgeous spot here. I love that. All the windows coming out to it. It's nice. Let's take a peek at our kitchen. Wow, they redid this. Beautiful countertops. It's gorgeous. Nice cabinetry. So I love this kitchen because it's all open right into the living room and or family room, and then you have the step down the fireplace here, so you could do your screen there, and you got a nice yard outside. This looks great. This is super communal, so you're entertaining, indoor, outdoor living. Let's see. So you can do laundry here. You got a bath here, 3/4. Look at this bedroom. 1, 2, original windows. Here's your bath. Here's another one. So 3 rooms back there.
With $115,000 worth of upgrades for the same price that.
One of my wife's friends does that.
Oh.
Wow. This is top floor. Bath here, beautiful tub. Okay, so there are 2 rooms up here. And then the master. Nice big master. Oh, so both of these, big walk-in, but both of these rooms up top use this bath. Next stop, 1237 Via Landetta. So all up from here, but look at out there, all ocean. So pretty nice. Wow, I like this front door. Multi-level. Good, how are you? Cool. All right, outside balcony, and here you go. Big view here. That is nice. That's was Margate, now is the intermediate school. Okay. So they did the, what do they call it? Herringbone on the floors. Really nice. Dining back here. Indoor kitchen. Nice kitchen. Big with an island. Little patio in the back. Powder bath. Ooh, enclosed family room. This is nice. Windows are good. Looks back down. A little bit of land up the hill. What is downstairs?
Laundry and garage access.
Great. Laundry and garage access downstairs. So up top here, bedroom in the back. This attaches to this bath, the tub, skylight, that's nice. Ooh, elevator, that's nice. Bedroom here. Slam. Go to the balcony. Here's the master. Vaulted ceiling. Closet. It's a solar tube, it's nice. A lot of light. And then here's a bath, travertine, big tub and shower. And another skylight. So a lot of light in here. It's nice. It's nice how you open the doors and look at the view. Here's the upstairs bath. Cool. Nice. 624 Via Del Monte, and it looks like a historic Spanish, pretty neat. And this has the killer view out to the ocean. So, yeah, look at the old PV stone. I'm putting this at a 1929, but we'll find out. So, kind of formal. Wow, gravity heater. You just don't see that. And there is access here, but I'm gonna go up the other way. Wow. Gravity furnace. Yeah, I'm putting this at 1929. We'll see. Look at that view. Big, big, big view. Check the surf, look right up the beach. It's pretty amazing. How special. John, what year?
1925.
Ah, I was off. I had it at 20.
The original house that you'll have to.
I had it at 29. It's 25. Makes sense.
Do all level. Great views. I don't know if it'll come across in your camera.
It does. So galley kitchen, super nice. They got the tumbled travertine floors. Got a half bath here.
Oh God, I'm in your video.
It's all right. Oh, beautiful little sunroom here. It is considered a bedroom. Oh, and look, the windows are new. All right. It's nice. Outdoor fireplace. And then, you know, one of the special things on these lots is they go way back. So you can see up there, just winders up through. It's really nice.
It goes, there's some people sitting up there.
Wow. I mean, from here, the view is just nuts. I can't see it on the camera, but man, I mean, this is just gorgeous. I mean, it's just right at the beach. So, on this wing, wow, look at that door. That's crazy. Okay. Some neat stuff around here. Nice bath. Oops. So this is the way to the downstairs. All right. Up to the top floor. Wow, this is a beautiful office. It's fantastic view. This has a little bird's perch here. Oh, now you can see the backyard. So there's some flat grass there. That's nice.
downstairs bath. One more room. They got the original handles and stuff. And here you can see more of the view. So there's a couple flat areas up there. $1925. Beautiful spot. All right, 2756 Via Anita. What a great street. You know, it's just tree lined. This is gorgeous stuff back here. The Del Monte section of Palos Verdes Estates. So you got good access to everything. Beautiful property here.
You would have said, no, it's perfect. Now we can talk.
Right?
Stepping
Yes,
on
okay.
No, what I get that all the time.
in. Beautiful oak.
Thank you so much.
Hardwood.
Have a good
Okay, goodbye.
Hi. Nice kitchen. I love the color here. It's beautiful. Nice cabinetries, maple wine. Look at the granite. It's gorgeous. Very nice. And it's soft. It's beautiful. So you're looking back through the copper fireplace. We're doing barbecue here. Nice spot. Wow. Listen to the birds. You got the trees. And quite a bit of lot here with the playground down below. And then you got all the trails and stuff. Super nice. Nice vault, all skim LED lights. Half bath up front. Very, very clean. It's all skimmed. Nice. Top bedroom. So there's two separate closets. Actually, there's a closet in the bath. It's pretty nice bikes. Pretty. Tub and separate 3/4 shower. Double sink. Beautiful view. Let's see what it looks like downstairs. Okay, we got laundry. We got a downstairs living room. This is nice. You do an office right here. And onto your grass. Travertine on the wall. Bedroom here. And then like a work study area before you get to the bath. 3/4 bath. I'm sure that's just closets. Cool. Neat spot. Next stop, Via Almar, 441 Via Almar. I love this area. This is Lower Malaga Cove, so you just get great views and you can walk down to the beach club. This is a fantastic area. The beach club is nice, but also Rat Beach is kind of like a private beach, so it's really amazing. Stepping on in. All right, so look at this big open room and a gorgeous view. I mean, wow. The palms are magnificent, you know, and this is a really awesome historic spot because that was Haggerty Mansion right there. It was one of the first spots here. You actually have quite a bit of yard here. It's nice. So you got the fireplace over there, and if you wanted, you could open all this up and get into the kitchen. But the kitchen is nice and open here. It's great. Slate, nice countertops and everything. They got the, oh, it's a gas line. It's the indoor barbecue. It's cool. It's cool.
Thank you. You know what, Jason can have mine. Yeah.
So, I like the A-frame. They did this. What I was referring to is the ceiling. Kind of neat. These older homes are really awesome. Ooh, nice sink. I like the way they did that. And then the shower's just right here. That's cool. All open. That's really cool. The floors are gorgeous. Got some work cleaning it out. 3/4 baths. This would be the master. Let's see what's downstairs. Couple rooms. Wow, it just keeps going on. Storage. Bathroom. Ooh, like a bedroom, I guess. And that's the garage. Here's the downstairs. Pretty interesting how they do these garages like that, right? Because you have to go down and around. And I've seen that. This isn't the first time. Interesting. $71.90 Crest Road. Look at this. Wow. Beautiful. 3-car garage up front. Beautiful. Beautiful glass door here. Magnificent. Kind of looks like a peacock. And then you get ocean from here. Very nice. Wow. What a great entrance. Nice, beautiful living room. Wow. Look at this. This is great. All really nice windows. Beautiful view. Wow, nice kitchen. Very nice. Moves back here to where they have laundry, side door, and a half bath. Very functional. Beautiful dining room, huge setup, barbecue outside, pool. Downstairs, we'll get there in a minute. Wow. Very nice. Very elegant. I mean, there's a lot of purple, but it's okay. I like purple. Coming into Easter. Another half bath here. Ooh, beautiful office. Wow, this is a beautiful room. And the windows are replaced. I'm using this as a TV room, but it is a bedroom. And that's kind of a half vault. Here's a master, big view out of this. Wow, that's an impressive piece right there. Down to the garage. Pretty nice. All right, 30523 Santa Luna. What a cool spot. 2-car garage up front. Hi.
Hi. I'm Anita.
Nice. Wow. This is cool. How's it going? Thanks for waiting. Hi. Okay to keep going?
Yeah.
Wow, this is super cool. Wow, I love it. this is really nice how they have the dining out here. They have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful kitchen. Got laundry here, private little laundry area. Half bath, all tile, which is nice. Beautiful bath, wow. This is gorgeous. I like that a lot. Nice cabinetry in here too. New windows, skim ceilings, super clean. Super nice. I like how they put the bed facing the view. Wow, the pool and stuff. This is really nice. Oh, beautiful tile. Nice. Wow, beautiful backyard. So there is some grass. Nice glass fence with your neighbor. So he's got a view too. You got a good one. Wow. So a lot of port, but you can also see the bridge, Vincent Thomas Bridge. It's motion as it goes out. Nice canyon here. Incredible. Beautiful pool. Great setup. Hot tub, fire pit, pool, and a great view. Super nice. Super nice. Wow, 32012 Cape Point. So we're inside the Trump area and this is magnificent. Wow. How is that for an entrance? That's magnificent. Wow, pretty unique. Look at this little doodad here. It's water and stone. Look at this door. Oh my God, heavy. Wow. This is fairly unique. Garage. Look at this wine cellar. Code controlled. Really nice. They did the rock thing here too. It's really cool. Infinity pool, just a great infinity edge. It's gorgeous. Nice waterfall. Nice outdoor barbecue. Wow, look at all the bench seating and everything. This is crazy. Little garden, sun pit. Beautiful table. Stepping in. Here's our kitchen. Wow. Walnut. Maple. Burl. You don't see burl over there. Cushion clothes. Super duper stove. Really nice. Wow. Organic. So it's all open. Nice dining. Wow, it's a hell of a chandelier. These hinges. Solid doors. Looks like mahogany perhaps. Nice bath. The work is incredible. Laundry. Look at that. It's pretty unique. This is super cool. Wow. Wow. Good smelling garage. Some toys, a beautiful car. You know, what a great spot. I like the mural too. You know, this is beautiful. Pretty incredible. Hey, Jane. What a neat staircase. Really, really beautiful. Plank walnut floors. Wow. So here's your master. Privacy kind of door here. It's kind of interesting. Oh, because it's the bath. Tub. Oh, this whole thing's the shower. I can't even see where the floor changes. It's all limestone. Super nice. But I don't see where the floor changes. Nice how they got the door like that in the corner. Big balcony. Pretty cool. They got the tub back there. I mean, it's a pretty neat concept here, right? I like that. It's not a steam, but it doesn't matter. Another set of laundry. Onyx is great. There's the upstairs TV room. Pretty neat. Wow, this is a open bedroom, I guess. Could be a guest room. I don't see a door. Here's your bath. I love this stuff. It's great. Pretty neat.
Thanks a lot for watching. If there's a home that you want to see, please write to me. I'd be happy to show it to you. I have a lot of information that I'd be happy to share. Just give me a call or write me an email. Thanks and make it a great day.